In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide participants in Microsoft Teams meetings. We all know that online meetings can sometimes become cluttered and distracting, especially if you are managing a large number of attendees. So today, I'm here to show you some simple steps on how to streamline your virtual meetups by hiding participants, whether you're using a Windows or Mac desktop. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about hiding the participant list during a meeting. This is quite straightforward. Once you're in your meeting, direct your attention to the top toolbar and look for the people icon. Clicking on this icon will open up the participant panel, displaying a list of everyone who is currently in the meeting. To keep things more focused and less cluttered, you can easily hide this panel. Simply click on the people icon once more, and the panel will close right away, giving you a clean interface to work with. Now let's discuss managing participant video tiles, which are the live video feeds of everyone in the meeting. It's possible to change the layout to focus on what matters most to you. And here's how you do just that. Click on the More options, which might be represented by three dots or an ellipsis located in your meeting toolbar. This will bring up a menu where you need to navigate to the View options. Once you're in the View settings, you have a couple of choices. If you want to concentrate solely on the content being shared without the distraction of other people's video feeds, select the Focus view. This layout will hide all other participants' videos, letting you focus entirely on the presentation or screen being shared. Alternatively, if your aim is to reduce distractions but still maintain visibility, choosing the full screen option can enhance your concentration. This mode eliminates any unnecessary clutter by displaying the meeting or shared content on your entire screen. These straightforward steps can significantly improve how you experience and manage your team's meetings, enhancing your productivity by allowing you to focus on what's truly important. By using these features, you can maintain a cleaner, more streamlined workspace during your virtual meetings, helping you and your colleagues to stay focused and productive. So, next time you find yourself in a crowded video conference, remember to use these strategies to keep your meetings efficient and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful. Until next time!